Hello everyone and welcome to our third video on conversions. In the previous two videos we discussed three of the types of conversions we could usually encounter in our exam or in our study of physics till OA levels or even in university level. So now the last type remains, which is when the power of prefix is different. So for example, if I need to convert 10 meters square, if I need to convert 10 meters square to centimeter square, how would I do this conversion? Or if I had 17 centimeter square, how would I convert this to meter square? Or maybe let's make it a bit different. So let's say 17 meter square centimeter square equals meter square. Let's do it like this. So the thing was, my conversion is 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So this is the normal conversion we have with us. But now when the power of meter is square, what we do is we have to square everything on both sides of the equation. So 1 meter square equals this equals centimeter square, and the result of this would be 1 meter square equals 1 or 10,000 centimeter square. So the conversion of 1 meter is 100 centimeters, but the conversion of 1 meter square is 10,000 centimeters. And similarly, had the number been 1 meter cube, so now the conversion of this was supposed to be 100 times 3 centimeter cube, and the answer for this would be 1 meter cube equals 100,000,006 zeros and centimeter cube. So this is of course 1 million centimeter cube. So this is the conversions or the type of conversions we have with us. Now we need, what we usually might know is this conversion, and the rest of us would be up to us how we do those conversions. So if I had 10 meter square with me, 10 meter square, and I wanted this converted into x centimeter square, so how would I do that? I would simply write this, and beneath this I would write the conversion which I have with me, which is this conversion. 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. Now I would just simply cross multiply them like this, and I would be left with 10 multiplied by 10,000 equals x centimeter square. Obviously this was multiplied with 1, and x multiplied with 1 is again x. So now if I need to find x centimeter square would be equal to 10 times 10,000, which is about 1 lakh, which is about 1 lakh centimeter square. So this would be my final answer. Now the answer might seem a bit large to you, but that is what it is. 1 centimeter, if 1 centimeter, uh, just a second, if let's say a line of 1 centimeter, if I have this line 1 centimeter was like, obviously if I needed 100 of these centimeters to fill 1 meter, so now I'm going with the area, so I am now going like this. So let's, for example, let's say that I have a line with me, this is a line, and this is equal to, let's say, 3 centimeters. This is 1 centimeter, and this is another centimeter, and then this is another centimeter. This is just what there is in a straight line. Now if I were to extend this line on the other side as well, and if I were to make the markings again 1 centimeter, and then again this is 1 centimeter, and then again this is 1 centimeter. And I were to complete the block like this, and this is something which I would get. Now you guys could see, obviously my drawing is not that perfect, but I hope you guys understand. Let me just make this a bit more neat. Just a second. This would be equal to 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. I could see that the blue line was only equal to 3 centimeters, but the square of a square made by the blue lines, I would need to have 9 of these centimeter squares to be equal to this. So what's the area of one square? It's just simply 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter, and I'd get 1 centimeter square. So this is what the area is, and I would need 9 centimeter squares to be able to fill this whole area, whereas just to fill the blue line I needed 1 centimeter. So this is what happens. I hope you guys understand this. This is, if you don't, no problem, as long as you've understood this conversion. So this is how we do our conversions. Now the next conversion was with us 17 centimeter square to meter square, or let's go a bit further. Let's do it 17 centimeter cube to meter cube. Do I know the conversion? Yes, I know. 1 meter cube was equal to 1 million centimeter cube. So this was the conversion of meters. So that is something I could just simply write here, that 1 million, or we could just simply write this with the power, with the scientific notation as well. 1 times 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube are equal to 1 meter, and this was x, this is our x. So we cross multiply and we would solve for our x, and when we would do that, we'd be left with a number which comes out to be 17 times 10 to the power negative 6 meters. Or you could write the number as, the decimal was here, 1 2 3 4, or 0.12317 meters. So this would be my answer. Yeah, so this is how I would do the conversion. So I hope this was clear to everyone. In case anyone has any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section.